Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services, and a better start for the week, day before the budget, and on the day when the economic survey is going to be tabled in just a few minutes from now. So as I speak to you this early noon on Monday, markets are trading with a very strong positive bias, 57,950 levels on the Sensex, 17,300 above on the Nifty spot, and the Nifty bank is at about 37,900. All sectorial indices are also trading with a positive bias, other than, of course, a little bit of pressure on certain banking stocks. A very difficult day to comment about the market, but my sense is since the budget is likely to be unveiled tomorrow, uh, but as we have witnessed in the years gone by, budget is now more of a 1 or 2 day events before the budget, and maybe a couple of days more post the budget till the time we dissect what is the fine print of the budget and make ourselves understand what the honorable finance minister has proposed. So, like all times, my sense is that choppiness, volatile will be there tomorrow, day after, until the time we understand. But not commenting on the immediate short to medium term. Uh, Long term, we have always seen in the years gone by that after budget we get back to the market, look at the other triggers locally and globally, and then we move in our own stride. So, in case if there is any choppiness, volatility today, tomorrow, or day after, post the budget, I think I would again request long-term investors to take that as an opportunity. Uh, I had mentioned this earlier. If I'm not, then I would like to mention this time that the in the given scenario and the present circumstances, what are in front of us, uh, any large correction below 17,000 on the Nifty spot looks extremely limited to me. Uh, so please use this as an opportunity in case if you do get corrections closer to 17,000 or below 17,000 on the Nifty spot, to start accumulating certain stocks that you have listed down in your shopping list, and in a phased out manner go on accumulating it. Uh, Q3 seasons is underway, and again, no unpleasant surprises or black spots, more or less in line or better than expected in certain cases. And as we go forward, my sense is that we will have in line overall numbers, barring some sectors which are vulnerable to the current situation that we all are into. On the rupee front, we are at 75 rupees to a dollar. I think it will stay like this for some time. Maybe 25 to 50 paise plus minus. That's going to be the broad range. But at these levels, my understanding is that you are likely to see some strength coming back into the rupee against the dollar, and we can gain some strength on the INR versus the dollar. On the crude oil basket, well, this is the joker in the pack, and thanks to what is happening in Russia, Ukraine, geopolitical situation will possibly keep crude oil prices on the higher side. On the flip side, in the coming month, first week of Feb, we have the OPEC plus nations meet. Uh, Surprisingly, even at $91 per barrel mark on the Brent and close to about $88 to a barrel mark on the NYMEX, we have not seen any sizable output increase. So let's hope that in coming week we hear about some increase in production which may cool off the crude oil prices. But like I mentioned earlier, geopolitical situation is something that is very extremely or rather impossible to predict in which form, where, and how, and at what time, and in what shape does the political situation unfolds. But we have to take it in strides. Overall, I believe that this market is a great market for long-term investors. I highlighted two sectors last time when I spoke to you, that is IT and banking. Along with that, this time I would want to focus on autos, and my sense is that auto ancillary, tire companies, battery manufacturing companies is something that you should have on your radar, and get an appropriate correction, start nibbling into some of the stocks. Of course, all of them are great fundamental investment ideas, but in terms of order of preference, maybe, of course, Tata Motor comes out with his numbers later on this evening. So Tata Motors, M&M, Maruti, that would be the order of preference. Bajaj Auto, beg your pardon, TVS Motors, Bajaj Auto, and Hero Motocorp would be the two-wheeler. Ashok Leyland in the commercial vehicle segment, and Escorts in earth-moving and tractor equipment. So these are the frontline auto sector, and of course, sound OEM segment companies as well. I don't foresee any large correction, but again, it will all depend upon the situation. But any level below 17,000, if we get on the Nifty spot, would be a great time to start getting into the market from a long-term perspective. Thank you all very much for your patience hearing. I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care. Stay home, stay safe. Go by code appropriate behavior, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.